Want to protect your phone from being snatched in public? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has an anti-theft feature called theft detection lock that can help by automatically locking your screen if suspicious motion is detected, like someone grabbing your phone and running away. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Lost Device Protection. Next, tap Theft Protection. Under the Screen Locking section, enable Theft Detection Lock. A pop-up will appear with an explanation about this feature. It explains that this anti-theft feature uses your phone's motion sensors to detect if someone suddenly grabs your phone and runs. If such motion is detected, your phone will immediately lock the screen. This feature is designed to work in likely theft situations, like when you are in public and not connected to a trusted Wi-Fi or Bluetooth device, as example, your home or smartwatch. Tap Turn On to confirm. So, given to the function with the theft detection lock turned on, your Galaxy S25 Ultra adds another layer of real-time protection against thieves. And if it's a false alarm, just unlock your phone as usual. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.